Welcome to this tutorial on how to sum a column in Google Sheets. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. To begin, open your Google Sheets document and select the column you want to sum. You can do this by clicking on the column header, which is the letter at the top of the column. For example, if you want to sum column A, click on the A at the top of the column. Next, click on the cell where you want to display the sum. This can be any empty cell in your spreadsheet. Then, type =sign and the word sum, followed by an open parenthesis. Now, select the range of cells you want to sum. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells, or by typing the range of cells. For example, if you want to sum cells A1 through A10, you would type A1 A10. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Google Sheets will automatically calculate the sum of the selected cells and display the result in the cell you chose. Alternatively, you can use the AutoSum feature in Google Sheets. To do this, select the cell below the column you want to sum. Go to the Formulas tab and click on AutoSum. Google Sheets will automatically detect the range of cells and calculate the sum. Best practice is to use the AutoSum feature whenever possible, as it helps to avoid errors and ensures that your formulas are accurate. Additionally, make sure to double-check your formulas and ranges to ensure that you are summing the correct cells. In conclusion, summing a column in Google Sheets is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can easily calculate the sum of any column in your spreadsheet. Remember to use the AutoSum feature and double-check your formulas to ensure accuracy.